Hi all. Now we are going to see the 8086 microprocessor instruction set. The instruction set of 8086 is classified into 7 different types. They are data transfer instructions, arithmetic and logic instruction, program control transfer instruction, machine control instruction, shift or rotate instructions, flag manipulation instructions, and string instructions. We'll see one by one. So let us move into the data transfer instructions. So as the name suggests, it is going to transfer or move data from one place to the other or one memory to the other. It is going to move the data from memory to internal register or internal register to memory, or from one register to the another register, from input port to internal register, or either it can be from internal register to output port, etc. Let us see all these different types with an example as well as a general format or a structure. So first is move instruction, and this is going to move a data from the source place or source to the destination register, or it's from a place or address to the destination. We'll see what happens, which are the flags affected. Of course, the flags are not affected because it is just going to move. So here it is just the immediate data 00F2 is being moved to the register BX. Likewise, here the square box represents that this is not a value, this is not a content or a register. The value or a content or a data in this 2000, which is mentioning a representing an address, the content inside this 2000H will be moved to the CL. Likewise, here the content inside this BX register will be moved to the data segment base 589H. Here again, the content inside the CX will be moved to DS. Next comes the push instruction. This push instruction decrements the stack pointer by 2 and copies the word from source to location where stack pointer now points. Here the source may be of any word size data. So source can be a general purpose register, segment register, or a memory location. And most importantly, the push instruction first pushes the most significant bit, MSB, to stack pointer first one, then the least significant to the next stack pointer 2. Push instruction again, like move, this is also not going to affect any flags. So the examples of the push instruction are given here. Same like push, here it is going to pop, like it is going to take the content from the stack and point to the destination register. So it copies a word from the stack and pointed to the stack pointer to the destination. It can be, the destination can be of any any register like segment register or memory location or a general purpose register. The example for that is given here. Next comes the in and out instruction. So the in instruction will copy the data from the port to the accumulator, whereas the out instruction similarly, copies the data from the accumulator and sends it to the or moves it to the output port. So the instructions are here. So this is how data from this port has been moved to the AL, and from DX it is moved to the copy to the port address. It is moved to the DX. Likewise, you can see the other examples of in and out here. Last comes the exchange. Earlier in previous instructions, we were just checking how to move the data from one place to the other, whereas here it is just going to swap the instructions, swap the data in among the two registers or memory place. So whatever is in source, as per this instruction, whatever is in the source will be moved to the destination. The data, the content in the destination will be now available in the source. So that is swapping, or which is nothing but called as the exchange instruction. So here the content in the CX will be moved to BX, whereas the content in the BX will be now rightly available in the CX. Same happens for the remaining also. Thank you.